Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be showing how you can use this component library in your React projects and how you can utilize this and use some component of it, right? So for that you need to clone this repository. Let me just clone it and show you. Okay, so clone is ready. You need to install the node modules. Right. Okay, let me just open in VS Code so you can see what is happening. Okay, so you can see node modules has been installed. Now after doing this, you need to create a build file. For that you need to run this command. It is doing its work. Okay, so you can see there is one folder has been added and dished after running this command, right? So setup for this directory has been completed. Now if you want to use the component, so let me show the components of it. So there are two components, one is button, one is model. So how you can use this component to your project, let me just show you. For that you need one React app, any React app. Let me just open this app. Let me just open the VS Code. Okay, so this is the qUIck-react repository that we cloned, and this is my simple React project. Let me just run it. Okay, okay, so this is a simple React plus white app. Now if you want to use the components of that qUIck-react, so let me just remove all this. Yeah, for that what you need to do, open the package.json file, and here in dependencies you need to add qUIck-react dependency and give the path of this into the dependency. Yeah, after doing that you need to again install npmi. Okay, I add one package. Now you can use the components of this. Let me just, so to use this you need to import. For example, I am importing button from qUIck-react. So name should be just like this only. Okay, now if I want to use button, just simply write this. Yeah, you can see the button has been arrived. So if you want to, let me just show you how you can use the model component. For that again I need to import the model. For a model I need to use the state open, right? So if you want to see what states or what the props it requires, you can check in the component like model. Yeah, this is the iModel. So this is the iModel props. Where it gone? Yeah, so it needs is open, it is boolean, on close the function and the title, right? So I want to give all these attributes into props for the model, right? So for that I'll be showing you. and it will be false by default, right? Let me give on click. On click, the model will be open, right? So we'll be doing this site open true. This is a callback function, and how you can the model in this way. It needs what it needs. It needs on close, right? On close, what we'll be doing, close it. False. It need is open. Okay, so you'll be going is open. It need title, right? Title, right? Let me go, this is model. Okay, let me just give the content of it. Okay, so it needs one on close prop and is open prop. So let me just show you. Okay, so yeah, you can see the model is ready, right? Here are the content and the title, this is model, and the close will be there. So if you want to change the style of it, you can simply open this and modify this according to if you want to what you want to do. And after doing that, you can pull request in the repository and contribute. So yeah, this is a quick tutorial how you can use the component library into your existing React projects. Thank you for watching this video.